Hello everyone. So we are team 51% and the members include Ravi Maurya, Atharva Patil, Nikheel Indanoor and Tanish Sawant. So this is a project known as DeDocs and we are trying to build a decentralized solution to reduce fraud in documents. So the problem we face is there is a lot of document fraud that is going on. People are creating fraud documents and submitting them in college to get admission or creating fake medical reports. So to ensure that we solve this problem, we came up with an approach where we will be having two roles, that is a user role and an organization role. The user will only have view access, whereas the organization can actually edit and add documents to the profile. So let's get started with this demo. So we are running a local Ganache server with 10 accounts, and I have imported some of the accounts in Metamask. So I have imported three accounts here, account 2, account 3, and account 4. We have deployed the smart contract using this account 2. Therefore, this acts as an owner, whereas the other accounts are yet not registered. So this is the home screen of our project. Now, if we go to MetaMask and connect using the owner's account, so we click on connect and we refresh the page. So you can see this redirects us to the owner's portal. So we'll come back to this. First of all, let's go to another account and connect this. Now, if we refresh the page and we click on register, so there are two roles as I mentioned, the individual and an organization. If I'm an individual, I can go here and I can create an account. So let's create an account. These are all the basic details which are required to create an account. You can also select a profile picture and let's click on register. So what this is doing is this will upload the image to the IPFS server, and for the other details, it is prompting us, the MetaMask is prompting us to confirm the transaction. So we click on confirm. And as we do that, we are brought to this profile page. Here we can see all those details that we have filled, a profile picture of the user, and below we get all the records. So the main core of our application is that the user will not have permissions to add their own documents. The organizations will have. So this in this way we are reducing the fraud document. So now let's switch the account and go to another account to create an organization. So we're switching to account 4. Let's connect this and refresh the page. So we are back to the home screen, click on registered, and we can go on organization. Here we are having for now three types of organizations: educational, medical, and criminal. Let's select medical and we can fill up this form. We can select the organization logo and then we can click on register. So in a similar way, MetaMask will prompt us to confirm the transaction. We can click confirm. And then once the transaction is done, we are brought to the portal for the organization. So currently we can see all those details and we can see a message that your organization is not yet verified. Because we are adding this verification procedure so that others cannot create fake organizations. So once an organization is created, the owner has to verify this organization. So if we go back to the owner's account and we refresh the page, so this is the owner's portal. So the owner has to enter the address of the organization. So the third account in our Ganache was the address to the organization, and we click on search. So this gives us the details for that particular organization. We can click on verify, and we can confirm the verification. So you can see we get a tick mark here, which means it's verified. We can also unverify a particular organization. Now let's switch back to that organization, that is account 4, and refresh the page. So once it's verified, you can see the tick, and we get an option to add record and view record. So let's add a record to a particular person's profile. So we need the person's address. So this is the person's address. We fill it here. We click on search. So basic details are filled automatically. Then we can enter the title, and we can enter a description for it. We can select a particular document for that particular report, and we can click on submit. So MetaMask will prompt us to confirm the transaction, and it is done. So now the organization can also view record of particular individual. So we can search here. The only restriction that we are having is the list of records are based on the type of the organization. So for example, this is an hospital, so he can the hospital can only view medical related documents. It cannot view education or crime documents. So we can click here and we can check that particular record. Let's also now go to the user's profile. So we can change to the user's profile. So the user can also now see that document has been added in his medical details. He can click on this and view the details from here. And as mentioned, the user will only have view access. So the user cannot make any changes in the document, and therefore it will be safe and secure. So thank you. This was our project. It is based, the technologies that we have used is React for front end. And for the blockchain, we have used Web3 JS. We have used Ganache, Metamask, and Truffle framework. Thank you.